Angelcast is a die casting factory committed to the core concepts of quality, efficiency, service, innovation, and integration improvement. It has been 20 years since Angelcast was established in 2003, vertically integrated across die casting equipment, mold manufacturing, casting production, machining, and electroplating, expand machine business, electroplating OEM, and research on processing technology. Unlike most die casting factories, Angelcast goes a step further with a multi-axis die casting production model. This approach enables the production of high-precision die-cast components, making Angelcast especially trusted by customers in the electronics industry. The customer base is mainly in the connector, network, optical fiber communications, automobile, and electronic industries. Environmentally friendly labor awareness has risen in recent years, and Angelcast has also kept pace with the times. Special use of MCM plant-based cutting fluid, used to improve the environment, reduce oil and gas production, reduce environmental pollution, and waste liquid treatment. Moving towards the goal of protecting workers, being friendly to the environment, green production, and low carbon emissions.
What I'm introducing now is Angelcast's multi-axis die casting machine. The biggest difference between our machines and traditional die casting machines lies in how they are controlled. Each axis is driven by servo control, allowing precise and independent movement. Compared with conventional machines, our system delivers higher efficiency and much more accurate control. We also have an automatic feeding system that can keep our furnace temperature consistent. Let our machines operate more smoothly and improve our zinc alloy manufacturing and production. More efficient, more economical, and more environmentally friendly.
After you use environmentally friendly release agent, what are the differences from before in terms of work in all aspects?
The most important thing is the smell, demolding method, and pollution. There are significant differences between these 3 points.
Hello, we just came to inspect the cutting fluid, regardless of concentration, pH value, or defoaming properties. The current conditions is very good. Now I want to ask you a question. After using plant-based cutting fluid, are there any significant changes to the overall work environment?
Yes, I think the first oil smells very refreshing. The oil mist has been reduced quite a bit. I think it is healthier for the body. In the past, machines would have a layer of oil mist attached to them, but now there is much less. Next, when the tool is processing, the tool wears less, which means the tool life is longer. After the workpiece is processed, its anti-rustability is also quite excellent. It used to rust very quickly, but now I haven't seen any rust in months. Our lathe uses MCM cutting fluid 2121. I think one of the good things about it is that its water quality looks very clear. It's not like mineral oil before, which was dirty and stuffy. And this cutting fluid I think is better than before. The anti-rustability of the workpiece is also quite excellent. And the most important thing is when I used mineral oil in the past, it blisters very badly, but after using this one, I think it's a lot less foamy and doesn't have a lot of oil mist.
I am Mike Liu, CEO of Team Green. Now is the stage of global green transformation. We must put aside traditional processing thinking and accept the challenges of the environment. Angelcast and Team Green share the same values. Changes from traditional processing fields. Through the innovative technology of MCM plant-based cutting fluid, can satisfy customers and have a greater competitive advantage in the global market. We are truly grateful to Angelcast for their willingness to work with Team Green to jointly develop sustainable and environmentally friendly processing solutions.
We would also like to thank Team Green for providing Angelcast with high-quality oil expertise. With this support, Angelcast is now able to further improve environmental protection as well as workplace safety and health. Looking ahead, Angelcast will continue to use top-quality, environmentally friendly release agents in our latest multi-axis servo die casting equipment, working closely with Team Green to deliver premium products to customers worldwide.